There are fast cars. There are crazy cars. And then, there is Lamborghini. For decades, Lamborghini stood for one thing: loud, aggressive, naturally aspirated V12 madness. But now, everything has changed. This is the Lamborghini Revuelto, a 1,000-plus horsepower hybrid monster, a V12 paired with electric motors, the beginning of a new era. Is this the future of Lamborghini, or the end of everything we loved? Let's find out. First, the name, Revuelto. In Spanish, it means scrambled or unruly. Perfect, because this car doesn't follow rules. It replaces the legendary Lamborghini Aventador, one of the most dramatic supercars ever made. The Aventador was raw, violent, loud. The Revuelto? It's smarter, faster, more advanced. But don't worry, the V12 is still alive. One look at the Revuelto and you know, this is not subtle. Sharp Y-shaped LED lights, massive air intakes, low, wide, futuristic stance. Everything looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. The rear? Hexagonal exhausts, massive diffuser, active aerodynamic elements. This isn't just design, it's intimidation on wheels. And somehow, it's even more aggressive than the Aventador. Here's the part that matters. Lamborghini could have downsized. They could have gone twin-turbo V8, but they didn't. The Revuelto keeps a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12. Yes, naturally aspirated, in 2026. But now it's paired with 3 electric motors. Combined output? Over 1,000 horsepower. Let that sink in. This is the most powerful Lamborghini ever built. And unlike turbo engines, the V12 still revs freely, screaming toward redline with zero artificial drama. This is old-school emotion, meeting new-school technology. Now, here's where things get interesting. The Revuelto is a plug-in hybrid, but not for fuel economy. It uses electric motors to increase torque instantly, improve acceleration, enhance corner exit, add torque vectoring. 1 motor sits at the rear, 2 at the front wheels. That means this car can actively control power distribution in ways older Lamborghinis never could. This isn't hybrid for efficiency. This is hybrid for domination. Let's talk numbers. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour? Around 2.5 seconds. Top speed? Over 350 kilometers per hour. But numbers don't tell the full story. The way the Revuelto delivers power is what changes everything. Instant electric torque, followed by screaming V12 chaos. It doesn't build speed, it launches you into another dimension. Lamborghini built an entirely new carbon fiber monocoque for this car. Lighter, stronger, more rigid. That means better handling, better cornering stability, better weight distribution. Even though it's a hybrid, it doesn't feel heavy. It feels planted, sharp, precise. For the first time, a V12 Lamborghini feels not just dramatic, but refined in its control. Step inside and you'll see something new. 3 screens: driver display, center infotainment, passenger display. Yes, the passenger gets their own screen. Fighter jet-inspired start button cover is still there. Carbon fiber everywhere. Low seating position. It feels like you're piloting a weapon, not driving a car. This is the real question. Does hybrid technology ruin the drama, or does it amplify it? The Revuelto is quieter at low speed, more civilized in traffic. But once you push it, the V12 screams. The electric motors punch instantly. The car feels explosive. It's not softer. It's more intelligent chaos. And maybe that's evolution. The Lamborghini Revuelto is not just a new car, it's a statement. A message that says, we can evolve without losing our soul. The V12 lives on, but now it has electricity backing it up. The world is changing. Supercars are changing. But Lamborghini? Still crazy, still dramatic, still unapologetic. So tell me, would you take the old Aventador or the new hybrid Revuelto? Let me know in the comments. And if you love cinematic supercar content, subscribe, because this is just the beginning.